Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Everyone podcast. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Joey. We are so happy to have you with us today. Today, we are going to explore the world of modern living. We want to talk about how we navigate our social lives, our careers, and our personal growth.
That's right. And today we are talking about the joy of home ownership or the stress of renting. We are diving into home maintenance and repairs.
Joy, Rachel. Last night, I heard a drip, drip, drip coming from the bathroom. I thought it was rain, but it was a leaky faucet. I spent the whole night wringing out towels. I felt like I was sinking in my own house.
Sinking in your own house? That's quite an exaggeration, Joey. But a leaky faucet can waste gallons of water and drive you crazy with the noise. Did you try to tighten the valve?
The valve. That's the handle or device that controls the flow of water, right? I tried to turn it, but it was rusted. I didn't want to force it and snap the pipe.
Snap the pipe? That would be a disaster. You'd have a flood on your hands. If a valve is stuck, you might need some WD-40 or a lubricant to loosen it up.
Lubricant. That's a substance like oil or grease that reduces friction. Okay, I'll add that to my shopping list. What about the kitchen sink? It's clogged. The water just sits there and stares at me.
Clogged. That means blocked by hair, grease, or food scraps. You need a plunger.
A plunger. That's the rubber tool that creates suction, right? I tried that, but it didn't budge. Should I call a plumber?
Didn't budge. That means it didn't move at all. Before you spend a fortune on a plumber, try checking the P-trap.
P-trap. Is that a Ghostbusters gadget? What does it trap?
It's the U-shaped pipe under the sink. It traps a small amount of water to block sewer gases from entering your home. Often, the clog is sitting right there. You just have to unscrew it.
Unscrew it. Okay, I'll get my hands dirty. But Rachel, what about electrical issues? My toaster and microwave were on at the same time, and suddenly the lights went out.
Ah, you tripped a breaker. Your electrical panel has safety switches that flip off if there's too much power being used.
Tripped a breaker. That's a funny way to say it stopped working. So I just go to the circuit breaker and flip the switch back to on.
Exactly. But if it keeps happening, you might have a short circuit. That's dangerous, and you should call an electrician immediately.
Electrician. That's a professional who installs and repairs wiring. I don't want to play with fire, literally. Okay, Rachel, let's talk about communication. If I'm renting an apartment and the HVAC system breaks down, how do I describe the problem to my landlord without sounding like an idiot?
HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. If it's making a loud noise, be specific. Is it a banging, a whistling, or a rattling sound?
Banging, whistling, rattling. Those are onomatopoeia, words that sound like what they mean.
Precisely. Tell your landlord the AC is on the fritz. It's making a rattling noise and it's not blowing cold air.
On the fritz. I love that idiom. It means not working correctly or malfunctioning. And I should probably ask for an estimate if I'm hiring someone myself, right?
Always get an estimate. That's a statement of how much the work will cost before they start the job. You don't want any hidden fees.
Hidden fees, those secret costs that pop up at the end. No thank you. Now, what about the exterior of the house? My gutters are overflowing with leaves.
Gutters, those are the channels on the edge of the roof that carry rain away. If they are full of debris, the water will leak into your walls. You need a ladder.
Ah, debris. That's a fancy word for trash or scattered pieces of stuff. And ladders make me dizzy, Rachel. I have vertigo.
Vertigo. That's a medical term for dizziness or a spinning sensation. Maybe you should hire a professional for that one, Joey. Safety first.
Safety first. I agree. I'll stay on the ground. What about drywall? I accidentally hit the wall with a chair and now there's a hole. Can I patch it?
Yes, you need some spackle and a putty knife. You fill the hole, let it dry, and then sand it down until it's smooth.
Spackle, phonetically, spackle. That's a thick paste for filling holes. And sanding means rubbing it with sandpaper to level it out.
You're a natural, Joey. You're becoming a handyman.
Handyman, a person skilled at odd jobs around the house. I like the sound of that. I'm going to go buy a toolbox.
Make sure it has a tape measure, a level, and a hammer.
Well, Rachel, I feel equipped to fix my life, or at least my sink.
I'm glad. A maintained home is a happy home.
Let's review our constructive vocabulary. Vocabulary review. 1. Leaky faucet. Noun phrase.
Meaning a tap that drips water even when it is turned off.
Example, the constant sound of the leaky faucet kept me awake all night.
2. Valve. Noun.
A device for controlling the passage of fluid or air through a pipe.
Example, you need to shut off the main water valve before you start the repair.
3. Clogged. Adjective.
Meaning blocked so that nothing can pass through.
Example, the shower drain is clogged again with hair.
4. Plunger. Noun.
A tool consisting of a rubber suction cup on a stick used to clear blockages in pipes.
Example, I used a plunger to fix the toilet and it worked perfectly.
5. Tripped a breaker. Idiom or phrase.
Meaning when a circuit breaker automatically shuts off the electricity to a part of the house because of an overload.
Example, I plugged in the space heater and immediately tripped a breaker.
6. HVAC. Acronym.
Meaning heating, ventilation, and air conditioning.
Example, we need to have the HVAC system serviced before the summer heat hits.
7. On the fritz. Idiom.
Meaning of machine or device not working correctly or malfunctioning.
Example, my laptop is on the fritz. The screen keeps flickering.
8. Estimate. Noun.
Meaning an approximate calculation of the cost of a job or service.
Example, the plumber gave me an estimate of $200 to fix the water heater.
9. Debris. Noun.
Meaning scattered fragments of typically something wrecked or destroyed, trash.
Example, after the storm, the yard was covered in branches and other debris.
10. Vertigo. Noun.
Meaning a sensation of whirling and loss of balance associated particularly with looking down from a great height.
Example, I can't go up on the roof because I suffer from vertigo.
11. Spackle. Noun or verb.
Meaning a thick paste for filling holes in walls before painting.
Example, I need to spackle the small holes left by the picture frames.
12. Handyman. Noun.
A person skilled at odd jobs around the house.
Example, we hired a handyman to fix the fence and paint the front door.
Use this bridge to explore the world. We are always here to help you.
Don't forget to check our community tab. We have a poll waiting for you.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay positive.
Bye-bye.